People will not be able to act on what scientists tell them because the media is a conduit which takes science to the public. So it contributes to public understanding of science.
The responsibility as well as the challenge lies really with vernacular media.
We can able to feel that we are in an alarming situation.
எதிர்காலத்தில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த பருவநிலை மாற்ற அகதிகள் அப்படிங்கிறதே வந்துடும்.
Media person can play a greater role to inform the people.
ஒரு climate changeன்றது புதுசு கிடையாது.
We the media experience it ourselves. Our stories will have that much more impact and that much more will go across to our readers.
Increase in temperature, the crop duration might get reduced by 4 to 5 days.
I'm Dr. Geeta Lakshmi.
From agriculture sector, almost to 28% contribution of greenhouse gases from the agriculture sector, and it is from the various ways it is happening, especially from the rice paddies because of the methane emission, and also enteric fermentation from the animal side, and also from the faulty fertilizer managements and so on. If we see in past 30 years and then if we see the past 10 years, the magnitude with which the temperature is changing is increasing. And the expected changes in the near future, that is 2020, 2030 is almost 0.7 to 0.8 degrees Celsius increase from the current condition. In the mid-century, we are expecting an increase of 2.5 degrees Celsius, and at the fag end, it is going to be 4 to 4.5 degrees Celsius increase in temperature is expected. And we are also expecting unseasonal rainfall. Means in the cold weather period, normally we don't receive any rainfall, but in the days to come, we may get some of the rainfall from the northeast monsoon shifted towards the cold weather period. These are some of the changes which we are expecting in the near future to mid-century of this for this region. One thing is the water requirement of the crop. The water requirement of the crop is expected to increase by 5 to 10% at least. In almost all the crops, especially in the rice paddies, it is going to be 10 to 15% increase in water requirement is one thing. The second thing is, because of the increase in temperature, the crop duration might get reduced by 4 to 5 days. So the reduction in crop duration of this 4 to 5 days will happen not in the vegetative phase but in the reproductive phase. That means the photosynthetically efficient days during the reproductive days are going to be reduced, which will have a greater impact on the yield. We may get reduced yield because of this reduction in duration of the crop. So this is another major impact which we are seeing. Third impact which we expect is the quality of the produce. When there is going to be increase in concentration of carbon dioxide in the days to come, and there is going to be increase in temperature, the quality of the produces will definitely be varying, especially the vegetables, the fruits, and so on. Actually, media people, they have a greater role in taking the right information to the right stakeholders at the right time. So that's what I feel. Basically, we need to informate all the research findings and also all the expectations from the changing climatic conditions to the media persons, because they are the people who could reach larger audience in a very shorter span of time. One thing is they have to tell, there may be a lot of pressures coming on their side to give a news. If there is a drought is setting in, naturally the government will not immediately declare that this is going to be a drought here or it is going to be a drought condition expected. They used to normally give an indication that the rainfall is going to be alright. That is the kind of information which will be always coming out until the droughts are setting in, though there is predictions available much advanced in time. But based on the scientific validity, the news people should understand the situation and they should give scientifically proven news to the stakeholders, which will definitely have a greater role in protecting the crops as well as in having the best choice of crop, which will improve the farming situation and the income of the farming community.